What if I told you that the leaf blower cord you've been tripping over the past 5 years is finally, officially obsolete? Stick around because by the end of this review, I'm going to show you exactly why this little cordless blower outperformed machines twice its price. And there's one feature near the end that genuinely surprised me. Okay, how about if everyone told me today that we're looking at this electric cordless leaf blower, a lightweight, battery powered blower that promises big power without the bulk? I've spent the last couple of weeks putting it through its paces on my patio, driveway, and yes, an embarrassingly leaf covered backyard. I do want to say thank you to the brand for sending this over so I can share with you guys. Power. This thing uses an axial flow turbofan design, pushing out up to 450 CFM and 150 miles per hour of airspeed. In plain English, it moves air fast. Wet leaves stuck to pavement, dust bunnies hiding under the porch, light debris scattered across the lawn, all of it got cleared in a fraction of the time. I expected from something this small, and it surprised me. Now, it comes with two 20-volt 2.0 amp hour batteries and a charger. So you can swap batteries mid-job instead of stopping to recharge. On the low speed setting, each battery ran for about 30 minutes. Plenty for a standard cleanup session. And that's actually where my story gets interesting, because battery life is usually where cordless tools fall apart. This one didn't. Now, it's not a one-trick pony. There are two wind intensity settings. Low speed is great for delicate areas, flower beds, gravel, anywhere you don't want debris flying everywhere. Now, the high speed is your heavy duty setting for wet leaves or packed dirt. Switching between them takes a single button press, no fumbling. Now, here's where this blower really won me over though. The design. At just 3.8 pounds, this is dramatically lighter than most corded or gas blowers. The ergonomic anti-slip grip means even after 20 minutes of continuous use, my arm wasn't screaming at me. Assembly was refreshingly simple too. Two nozzles, one battery, and you're blowing leaves in under 5 minutes. No manual required, honestly. And the battery already comes fully charged, ready to go.